How to make this flawless, high-purity 1 kilogram silver bars with mirror-like finishes. After stamping, each bar becomes a flawless representation of your brand. The secret is CDOCAST 12.5 kilograms vacuum gold or silver bar casting machine. First weigh and add the material. This machine casts up to 12 1 kilogram bars per batch. Then placed into fabricated graphite mold. The system executes a fully automated cycle with PLC touchscreen. After casting is completed, machine cover opens automatically. Melt and cast in a fully solid atmosphere to eliminate oxidation, porosity. German IGBT induction heating ensures rapid melting and controlled cooling. Each bar achieves a high-density, mirror-like finish. Free from water ripples, porosity, or any surface defects. After stamping, each bar becomes a flawless representation of your brand. If you are interested